Global ISO certification, inspection, testing, technical training for stainless steel oil storage tank manufacturers and supply chain worldwide. Presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. The global oil and energy industry depends on safe, reliable, and high quality storage infrastructure. Among the most critical assets are stainless steel oil storage tanks, which are widely used for storing crude oil, petroleum products, edible oils, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and industrial liquids. These storage tanks must meet stringent international standards for quality, corrosion resistance, structural integrity, and safety. Even a minor defect can lead to leaks, environmental damage, operational downtime, and significant financial losses. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we help manufacturers achieve world-class quality through ISO certification, third-party inspection, testing, auditing, technical training, and supply chain quality solutions. In this video, we will explore how URGS supports stainless steel oil storage tank manufacturers and their global supply chains in achieving excellence. Understanding the stainless steel oil storage tank industry. What is this? Stainless steel storage tanks play a vital role across numerous industries, as we know this. They are widely used in oil refineries, petrochemical plants, chemical industries, food and beverage, pharmaceutical industries, edible oil processing, biodiesel plants, water treatment plants, power plants, marine and offshore industries. Manufacturers produce various types of tanks including vertical storage tanks, horizontal storage tanks, double wall tanks, insulated tanks, mixing tanks, pressure tanks, API storage tanks, custom fabricated stainless steel tanks. Customers expect products that are durable, corrosion resistant, leak proof, and compliant with international standards. Industry challenges. Manufacturers face several critical challenges, including maintaining consistent product quality, meeting international customer specifications, welding quality and fabrication accuracy, material traceability, corrosion resistance, pressure and leak testing, regulatory compliance, supplier quality management, delivery schedules, documentation and certification. Without robust quality systems, these challenges can impact customer satisfaction, project success, and business growth. Now, importance of ISO certification. ISO certification is a globally recognized benchmark for quality and operational excellence. As we know this, URGS International provides certification services including ISO 9001 Quality Management System. It helps manufacturers improve product quality, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency. ISO 14001 Environmental Management System supports environmental responsibility, waste reduction, and sustainable manufacturing. ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System promotes workplace safety and reduces occupational risks. Benefits of ISO certification include improved manufacturing processes, better documentation and traceability, increased customer confidence, reduced defects and rework, stronger market reputation, international business opportunities, continuous improvement. Third-party inspection services. What is this? Independent inspection is essential to verify that tanks meet design specifications and customer requirements. URGS International provides comprehensive inspection services including raw material inspection, welding inspection, dimensional inspection, fit-up inspection, visual inspection, hydro testing witness, surface finish inspection, painting and coating inspection, final inspection, factory acceptance test (FAT), site acceptance test (SAT), pre-shipment inspection. Our inspection reports provide confidence to manufacturers and customers alike. Material testing and quality assurance. Material quality directly affects the safety and lifespan of storage tanks. URGS International supports manufacturers through mechanical testing, chemical analysis, positive material identification, hardness testing, ultrasonic testing, radiographic testing, magnetic particle testing, liquid penetrant testing, visual testing, weld quality verification, thickness measurement, leak testing. These services ensure that every tank meets international quality and safety standards. Supplier audits and vendor qualification. A strong supply chain is essential for manufacturing high-quality storage tanks. URGS International conducts supplier audits to evaluate manufacturing capability, quality management systems, welding facilities, inspection procedures, calibration systems, material traceability, documentation practices, corrective actions, controls improvement. Qualified suppliers help reduce risks, improve quality, and ensure on-time project delivery. Process improvement and risk management. Operational excellence requires controls improvement. URGS International helps organizations implement lean manufacturing, root cause analysis, CAPA, corrective and preventive actions, risk assessment, process optimization, productivity improvement, cost reduction strategies, quality performance monitoring, operational excellence programs. These initiatives improve efficiency while reducing manufacturing risks. Now, technical training. A skilled workforce is the foundation of manufacturing excellence. URGS International offers technical training for welding engineers, quality engineers, production engineers, inspection engineers, supervisors, managers, QA/QC professionals, project engineers, vendor inspectors. Training topics include ISO standards, internal auditor courses, welding quality, inspection techniques, NDT awareness, root cause analysis, CAPA, risk management, supplier quality, documentation and traceability. Professional training enhances competency, improves productivity, and strengthens organizational performance. Why choose URGS International? Organizations worldwide choose URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited because our commitment to quality, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. What are our strengths? Experienced auditors and inspectors, industry specific expertise, international standards compliance, independent third party inspection, comprehensive technical training, reliable quality assurance solutions, global service capability, timely project execution, customer focused approach, continuous improvement support. We partner with manufacturers, EPC contractors, fabricators, OEMs, exporters, and global supply chain organizations to deliver world-class quality solutions. At last, in today's competitive industrial landscape, quality, compliance, and reliability are essential for long-term success. Whether you manufacture stainless steel oil storage tanks for oil and gas, chemical, food, pharmaceutical, or process industries, URGS International is your trusted partner for achieving manufacturing excellence. Through our ISO certification, third-party inspection, testing, auditing, technical training, and supply chain quality services, we help organizations improve quality, reduce risks, ensure compliance, and strengthen customer confidence worldwide. If you are ready to elevate your manufacturing standards and expand your global business, contact URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited today. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, your global partner for certification, inspection, testing, auditing, and technical training. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos on ISO certification, inspection, testing, quality management, industrial manufacturing, and engineering excellence. Thank you.